Welcome to Shape, a powerful all-in-one tool to streamline your organization's workflow and maximize team productivity. Let's begin your system administrative training with managing users. Access the Manage Users section by clicking the gear icon in the top navigation bar. The User Settings tab is a vital tool for managing your users effectively in Shape. You can customize various settings, such as their lead acceptance preferences and calling features, through this tab. For instance, you can enable or disable the lead acceptance toggle to control which users receive leads through distribution. You can also manage their calling settings, including local presence and call monitoring features. Adding a new user is easy. Just click Add User and input their information. Shape offers various roles, from user to admin, with different access and permission levels. You can customize these roles to fit your organization's needs in the Users and Permissions section of your Settings sidebar. Departments in Shape designate a user-specific role. If a user has multiple responsibilities, they can be assigned to multiple departments. By accessing the Manage Departments settings page, you can control each department's access to record types and specific lead information, ensuring that they only see what they need to perform their job duties efficiently. Enabling calling and texting features for a user in Shape is effortless. All you have to do is search for and select a phone number with a desired area code, and Shape will automatically configure the user's phone settings for you. If you need to modify inbound call routing, you can do so through the Inbound Call Routing settings page, which we will cover later on. After creating a new user in Shape, the system will automatically send a welcome email containing their login information, making the process effortless. However, there may be times when a user forgets or loses their password. In such cases, you can easily reset their password as an admin. Simply click on the user's profile picture to access their account settings, select Change Password, and follow the password rules to update their credentials. Please note that this action will not trigger an automatic email to the user, so you will need to inform them of the new password. Additionally, you can manage other aspects of the user's profile settings using the tabs located at the top of the profile page. As a system administrator, the Login as User feature in Shape is a powerful troubleshooting tool that allows you to view the system from the user's perspective. To use this feature, simply click the ... icon in the Actions column of the Users list and select Login as User. The system will then refresh, showing you the view as the selected user. To switch back to your own login, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Switch Login from the drop-down menu. Let's dive into customizing your contact management with statuses. Head over to the Manage Statuses settings page on the left-hand sidebar. Here, you can create multiple status types to organize your contacts based on different stages of the sales cycle or user departments. For instance, you may have user departments that handle various stages of the customer lifecycle, including sales, billing, operations, and more. Simply click on the Edit icon to view and modify the statuses within each list. By customizing your contact statuses, you can better manage and track your leads and prospects, leading to more successful outcomes for your business. You can easily reorder your statuses using the drag and drop feature, filter which statuses or call outcomes are displayed at each stage, and even require certain fields to be mandatory to fill out. Additionally, you can add new statuses by clicking Add Status at the bottom of the page. Let's create an effective contact management strategy through organized prioritized contact pipelines. To access Shape's Prioritization Rules, simply navigate to the left-hand sidebar and search for Prioritization Rules. This will lead you to a curated list of prioritized views, which have been specifically designed to streamline your lead management process. When you customize your lead statuses, it's crucial to update your prioritization rules accordingly. Doing so ensures that your new status sections are seamlessly integrated into your views. Let's walk through the process of adding a status rule to the All Leads view. Start by clicking on the Edit icon to access the List View settings. At the top of the page, you'll see the name of the list and user view permissions. Below that, you'll find the rules that organize certain rule sets in priority order. To add a new rule that includes a particular status, simply create a new rule using the status as a parameter. You can also create rules based on source, tags, and different actions and timeframes. Once you've created the new rule, click Save at the bottom of the page. You can then use the drag and drop feature to reorder your priority rules as needed. By using these views, you can prioritize and focus on the most critical leads efficiently, helping you to maximize your productivity and achieve your sales goals. Let's take your marketing efforts to the next level by exploring one of Shape's most powerful tools, drip campaigns. To get started, navigate to the Sales and Marketing section on the Settings sidebar and select Drip Campaigns. With drip campaigns, you can automate and personalize your communication with leads and customers, allowing you to engage with them at the right time and in the right way. Here, you can browse through a selection of pre-made sequences, expertly crafted for your business. To view and edit the steps in a campaign, click on the campaign you want to work with. In the top section, you'll find campaign enrollment information. The initiation status is what starts the campaign, and the end statuses will stop the campaign. Below, manage your campaign workflow and add omni-channel steps with ease. To preview each step in a drip campaign, click the downward arrow. To modify the content, click the edit icon and make changes in the pop-up window. Keep in mind that changes made here only affect the drip campaign and won't overwrite the template elsewhere. To reorder steps, use the reorder icon to drag the steps up or down and adjust time delay using the time delay drop-down. The number of days will be calculated automatically upon page refresh. When you're satisfied with your drip campaign, simply scroll to the top of the page and activate it by toggling the campaign status into the On position. The benefit of marketing automation is that once activated, the campaign will automatically execute its workflow and engage leads with personalized content, freeing up your time to focus on other important tasks. It's important to note that any leads that were previously in the activation status will not be automatically enrolled unless they are re-statused. Let's go over how to capture lead data automatically in your CRM. This way, you can track the success of your marketing campaigns and ensure that all leads are properly managed. To get started, head over to the Marketing Sources page. Here, you can add, edit, and customize your sources to best fit your organization's needs. To edit a campaign, simply click on its name to access the Edit page. Here, you can modify the source name in the Campaign Name field and choose where these contacts will be posted to. The default is leads. The posting URL is the unique URL that you will provide to your lead sources, along with the posting instructions and an export of field mappings. You can download the CSV sheet of field mappings and access the Lead Provider Posting Instructions section by clicking on View Details. By following the posting instructions, you can seamlessly integrate your lead providers with your CRM, ensuring that all lead data is captured and analyzed efficiently. If you need any assistance, we are here to help. Simply click on the Help button in the lower right corner and let us know how we can assist you. We may ask you to include your lead provider in the email chain so that we can coordinate and test directly with your point of contact. Let's automate the routing of leads to specific users or groups. Access the rules by searching for Distribution Rules in the left-hand sidebar and clicking on the corresponding settings page. By default, Shape distributes leads to your primary sales department in a round-robin fashion, but you can customize the automation to fit your organization's needs. To create a new distribution rule, click Create Distribution Rule and set caps to limit the number of leads per hour, day, week, or month. You can also specify distribution hours, add filters to assign the most qualified reps, and set redistribution rules to reassign leads if they're not worked within a specific time frame. Shape provides two primary distribution methods, Push and Quickfire Connect. The Push method automatically assigns leads to users in a round-robin fashion. Quickfire Connect, on the other hand, enables your representatives to get on the phone with the lead in less than a minute. It uses an on-screen pop-up, and the first representative to click Accept and Connect wins the lead assignment. The system then automatically begins calling the new lead for speed to contact. Select the appropriate distribution recipients and save your changes. To maximize the effectiveness of your distribution rules, it's crucial to arrange them in order of specificity, with the most specific rule at the top and subsequent rules becoming increasingly general as you go down the list. Since leads check each rule in a cascading manner from top to bottom, this organization will ensure that your leads are accurately routed to the appropriate recipients, leading to increased sales potential. Now that you have learned how to route inbound leads that are posted to Shape, let's learn the process of routing incoming phone calls. To get started, simply locate the inbound call routing option on the left-hand sidebar. From here, you can adjust the call flow rules for different phone numbers and users, allowing you to customize your settings to meet the needs of your business. By default, when you create a new user with phone settings, incoming calls will be forwarded to their direct line as specified in their user details. But with Shape's flexible call routing system, you can easily adjust the call flow rules to ensure that calls are directed to the right person or team at the right time. Plus, Shape automatically creates new leads for brand new callers that aren't yet saved in your system. Say goodbye to frustrated customers and hello to a more streamlined call management process with Shape. Our advanced features include IVR, call greetings, user blast routing to up to 15 users at once, round robin to evenly distribute calls, in-app calling through the web phone, and call forwarding to ensure your team never misses a call again. With our inbound call routing feature, you can ensure that every call is directed to the right person or team, maximizing your chances of converting leads into customers. If you need new phone numbers, you can get them right in the system. Let's head to the Manage Phone Settings page to get started. The Manage Phone Settings page gives you the flexibility to meet your business's compliance standards. You can enable automated call recording and also register for 10DLC to ensure your text messaging efforts comply with federal regulations. By registering for 10DLC, businesses can help ensure their text messaging efforts are delivered reliably and securely, while also reducing the risk of message filtering, blocking, or delivery errors. The registration process is quick and easy. Simply fill out the form and let us handle the rest. To acquire a new phone number, simply click the Get Phone Number button, search for an area code, and select a number from the list. You can also assign a friendly name for organization purposes and set a caller ID display name by using the ... icon in the Action column. Next, set up an inbound call route by clicking the Set Up Rule button. You can manage the caller ID number for each user for both calling and texting below. Shape's built-in telephone eliminates the need to switch between tools and applications, saving time and allowing for better tracking and management of all customer interactions within a centralized database. Congratulations! You have now mastered some of the key features in Shape. While there are more settings pages to explore, with your new knowledge on how to manage users, customize statuses, organize contacts, engage customers with drip campaigns, route leads and calls, and manage phone settings, you are well on your way to becoming a Shape Pro. Thank you for choosing Shape as your CRM solution. We hope that you find our platform intuitive and user-friendly. If you ever need assistance, our support team is always here to help. With Shape, you have the power to tailor your software to meet the unique needs of your business and take it to the next level.